Hello, and welcome to Email Oversight's Email Append tutorial. A data append is a process that involves adding new data elements to an existing database. Companies often collect basic information on their clients, such as phone numbers, emails, or addresses. A data append takes the information that they have, matches it against a larger database, which then allows the desired missing data fields to be added. For this example, we are appending email addresses. Once you are logged in, on the left menu, make sure Data Append is selected. At the top of the page, you will see the options Data Append and Email Append. For this process, you will click Email Append. Let's upload a new file. Once you have selected your file, you can now click Upload Files. Once the file is uploaded, map all the columns to their corresponding drop-downs. After you have mapped all the columns, you can then select the number of emails to append to, meaning if someone in the database has multiple email addresses, by increasing this number, you are more likely to append their most current email address. You can also choose to validate those emails by clicking Validate Emails after Append. If you do this, only valid emails will be added to your list. Then click Process. You are only charged for a match, so if the search cannot find a match for you, you will not be charged. Once the file has been processed, you can refresh the page and then click Download. If you would like to know more about our products and services, please visit our website. Thanks for watching!